Right now, somewhere in the world, a hacker is trying to break into a system. And at the same time, an AI is trying to stop them. This is no longer science fiction. It's happening in real time. But here's the question. Can AI really replace cybersecurity experts? Or is this a battle humans still need to win? Cybersecurity experts protect systems, networks, and data from attacks. They detect threats, respond to breaches, and prevent future attacks. In a world where billions of dollars are at stake, their role is more critical than ever. AI is transforming cybersecurity at an incredible pace. Systems developed by companies like Darktrace and IBM use machine learning to detect unusual behavior instantly. Instead of waiting for an attack, AI can spot threats before they happen. In 2017, the WannaCry ransomware attack infected over 200,000 computers worldwide. Hospitals, businesses, even governments were affected. At the time, many systems lacked AI-driven detection. Today, AI tools can identify similar threats much faster, potentially stopping them before they spread. AI has powerful advantages in cybersecurity. It works 24/7, analyzes massive data instantly, and detects patterns humans might miss. It can identify threats in seconds, something that could take humans hours or days. But AI has serious limitations. Hackers are now using AI too, creating smarter, more adaptive attacks. AI systems can also produce false positives, or worse, miss entirely new types of threats. And when something unexpected happens, AI can struggle to respond. In recent years, cybercriminals have started using AI to launch attacks. There have been cases where AI-generated voices were used to impersonate company executives, tricking employees into transferring money. These attacks are faster, smarter, and harder to detect. This is where human experts come in. Cybersecurity professionals think creatively, adapt to new threats, and make complex decisions. The future isn't AI versus cybersecurity experts, it's AI and cybersecurity experts. AI will handle detection and automation. Humans will handle strategy, decision-making, and advanced threat response. Together, they form the strongest defense. Cybersecurity is no longer just a job, it's a war. And AI is both a weapon and a shield. But without human intelligence, that shield isn't enough. So the real question is, who will you trust to protect your data, AI, humans, or both? Subscribe for more videos on AI and the future of technology. This is Infinity AI TV. Infinite stories. Infinite imagination. Subscribe for more news.